Alright, and so I just did that recording, and I took the stock heatsink out of my case and put it in the aftermarket heatsink that I just paid for. And so, with that said, between what you hear from this and how I sound and how much background noise there is not, you could definitely tell the difference between this one and the other recording that I will show you in just a second. Alright, so I'm about to change my processor's heat sinks to from the one I paid for. So basically, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go ahead and change it out, but I'm also recording the Blue Yeti, straight from the microphone. I have no noise filtration going on, so the hissing you hear in the background is from the Blue Yeti. And I'm going to leave it a second to be silent so that you can hear the noise that my fan is having right now. So Blue Yeti right above my computer with the aftermarket heatsink, and I'm going to give it a second so you can hear the wisp and the hiss. And now what you hear is the sound with the aftermarket heatsink on that I just bought. And I'm mistaken. I said aftermarket heatsink that I have on. It was actually the stock heatsink that I have on. So I'm going to give it a moment so you can hear the difference between how it sounded before and how it sounds now. So I'm going to play those both back now. First beginning with the stock what I had, and then aftermarket that I just put in.